10 coolest gadgets for men. Let's face it, there's regular gear. And then there's gear that makes people stop and say, where did you even get that? Whether you're into sleek blades, smart tools, luxury watches, or full-on Star Wars cosplay, the right gadget doesn't just serve a purpose, it says something about you. This is not a list for the average guy. This is for the men who want innovation, edge, and pure wow factor in their everyday lives. So buckle up. Here are the 10 coolest gadgets for men you didn't know you needed, but absolutely do. Cobra Siege Crossbow. Starting strong with a gadget that's part weapon, part engineering masterpiece. The Cobra Siege Crossbow is like something straight out of an action thriller. It's compact, tactical, and surprisingly powerful for its size. With a draw weight of up to 130 pounds, this thing doesn't mess around. But what makes it stand out is its quick-loading mechanism and tactical rail system, which lets you attach lasers, scopes, and other add-ons like you're gearing up for a mission. It's perfect for backyard target practice, zombie apocalypse prep, hey, you never know, or just having the most badass wall display in your man cave. The build quality is exceptional, aluminum and polymer for durability, yet lightweight enough to handle with ease. It's the kind of thing you don't just own, you show off. Supply razor. Now let's talk about something every man does, but not every man does right, shaving. Enter the Supply razor, a sleek, single-blade razor built like a luxury tool. This isn't some plastic throwaway. It's made of aircraft-grade stainless steel with a weighty, balanced feel that turns shaving from a chore into a ritual. What makes it really cool is the single-edge design that reduces irritation, razor bumps, and ingrown hairs. Plus, it uses injector blades that are easy to swap without ever touching a sharp edge. It's minimal, masculine, and incredibly precise. Pair it with some quality shave cream and you're stepping into barbershop-level grooming every single day. Sometimes the coolest gadgets are the ones that elevate your routine. Portugueser Tourbillon watch. Time for some wrist envy. The IWC. Portugueser Tourbillon is not just a watch, it's engineering art. The tourbillon mechanism alone is enough to turn any horology nerd into a fan. It compensates for gravity by rotating the escapement, improving accuracy, and giving the watch that mesmerizing spinning motion. Wrapped in a sleek, minimalist case with elegant detailing and a transparent back. This is the kind of watch that doesn't scream for attention, but demands respect from those who know what they're looking at. It's timeless, refined, and built to last generations. Whether you're in a boardroom or on a yacht, this watch whispers power. Owning one? That's not a purchase. It's an achievement. Outdoor cooking device. For the man who likes his steak with a side of fire, the Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0, or something equally rugged, turns outdoor cooking into an experience. These high-efficiency fire pits use a double wall design to burn wood hotter and cleaner, so you get less smoke and more flame. Add a grill grate or cast iron cooktop, and you've got a portable, powerful outdoor kitchen. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or just flexing in the backyard, this setup takes outdoor cooking from marshmallows to gourmet. It's compact, easy to clean, and looks damn cool glowing under the stars. Men love fire, and this gadget makes sure you're wielding it with style and serious flavor. Langfida Scooter. Now this isn't the electric scooter your kid rides to school. The Langfide L8S is an off-road electric beast with dual motors, massive torque, and a top speed that'll make your car feel embarrassed. It's built for speed, distance, and terrain, with full suspension, fat tires, and enough battery life to cover up to 50 miles. Commuting? You'll be the fastest. Weekend fun? You'll be the wildest. And with a sturdy foldable frame, you can pack it in your trunk or carry it upstairs without needing a crane. It's like a motorcycle and a scooter had a baby, and then gave it a monster energy drink. Urban jungle or open trail, the Langfide doesn't ride. It rips. DeWalt gyroscopic screwdriver. Let's talk tools, specifically, a screwdriver that feels like it came from Tony Stark's workshop. The DeWalt gyroscopic screwdriver uses motion sensing to drive screws with precision just by twisting your wrist. The harder you rotate, the faster it spins. No triggers, no buttons, just pure, intuitive control. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and comes with a built-in LED light, making it perfect for tight spaces or low-light situations. Whether you're fixing furniture, doing home renos, or building your next DIY masterpiece, this gadget turns a simple tool into a high-tech helper. And let's be honest, any tool that works like a video game controller is already cooler. Darth Vader helmet. Okay, this one is just straight up iconic. The Darth Vader helmet, officially licensed, movie-accurate, and voice-changing, isn't just for cosplay. It's a collectible that every Star Wars fan needs to display proudly. This isn't some party store knockoff. It's detailed down to the mesh, the sculpt, the breathing sound effects. Wearing it instantly makes you the most intimidating figure in the room, or galaxy. But even if you just keep it on a stand, it's one of those pieces that transforms a shelf or office into a tribute to cinematic greatness. It's nostalgia, tech, and pure fandom, wrapped in glossy black menace. And yes, it makes the breathing sound. You know the one. PlayStation Portal. The PlayStation Portal is the handheld device PlayStation fans have been dreaming of. This slick remote player lets you stream your PS5 games anywhere in your home over Wi-Fi, with a full DualSense controller built into the frame. That means adaptive triggers, haptics, and beautiful full HD graphics, right in your hands. No more waiting for the TV, no more turf wars over the living room screen. Whether you're gaming in bed, on the balcony, or hiding in your man cave, the PlayStation Portal brings the power of your console to the palm of your hands. It's perfect for busy gamers who want flexibility without sacrificing immersion. Lung tank. Ready to feel like James Bond underwater? The lung tank is a portable mini scuba system that lets you breathe underwater for several minutes without a bulky oxygen tank. It's compact, refillable, and fits into a backpack, making it perfect for shallow dives, emergency backups, or just flexing at the beach like you're auditioning for a spy movie. Most models offer around 10 minutes of breathable air, enough for quick underwater exploration or escape room level theatrics. Plus, it's easy to refill with a pump or air compressor. Just picture yourself diving under a boat, exploring reef caves, or showing off at the pool. This is gadget cool on a whole new level, and way more fun than goggles. Falcon Mini. Tiny but mighty, the Falcon Mini is a pocket-sized plasma arc lighter that can withstand wind, water, and everything else nature throws at you. It looks like something out of a secret agent's gear kit, and it functions like it too. No flame, no fuel, just dual arcs of electricity hot enough to light anything from a candle to a campfire. USB rechargeable and incredibly durable. It's perfect for outdoorsmen, smokers, or anyone who just wants to hold lightning in their hands. Some versions even come with built-in flashlights and power banks. It's rugged, reliable, and infinitely cooler than your average lighter. Because when you pull this out, people notice. Got a favorite? Drop it in the comments. Found a gadget your buddy would love? Hit that share button. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic tech, gear, and gadgets made for the modern man. Because life's too short for boring tools, and way too short for average.